y'all, how y'all doing? What y'all doing? Welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair, the product that I use, and then the styler that I use. So this is the product that I use. It's called Cake, and it's a blowout balm. It's really good, and it's supposed to be like free of all those nasty things. Here it is right here. No paraben sulfates. So cruelty free. So this is what I use when I blow dry my hair. And then this is what I use. Instead of using a round brush and a blow dryer, I use this, the one step, and it works really good. I use it on my daughter's hair. I use it on my hair. We like it a lot. It's less time, less work. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. Let me show you the texture of my hair. So this is the texture of my hair. So my hair is, it can get pretty curly if I use product, but this is just natural right here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little part here on the side, this little section here. Then I'm just gonna clip this back up. I already have all the balm and everything in my hair, so it's already been taken care of. All right, so let me show you guys how well this thing works. Look how smooth it is. Y'all, my face is red. This thing is hot. I had to open the window because it's getting smoked out in here. But anyway, so this is the finished product. Turn around so you guys can see. I just have to put something on my flyaways and it's done. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me turn around so you can see it again. I really do love this thing. I really do. I bought my sister one for her birthday. I like it so much. So anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.